What's up, guys? Welcome to March 2020, where all our plans have been canceled, but we're still in our planners. At least I am. So I hope you guys are doing well. I know that it's a hard time right now, and I know it can cause a lot of anxiety and a lot of uncertainty is happening, and I don't know. I just want everybody to know watching this, and that, as part of the planner community and everything, I just want everybody to, I don't know, just know that I'm thinking about everybody and, hoping everybody is well and trying to, I don't know, live my life as best I can and give you all fun, creative content that you can use during this time. So today we're going to be doing the March weekly spread flip throughs. So I'm going to show you what I did for the month of March. I haven't filmed any plan with me's in March, and I don't think I'm going to film any in April because I've been using it as a creative outlet. I don't have to set up to film and do everything. I just want to sit on my bed or in the floor or at my desk or something and just have me time and just self-care, be creative. And secondly, I've been planning in advance because I've been needing to just be creative. I've been planning in advance. So pretty much all the month of March, I made my weekly spreads in advance, like weeks in advance. And I've been doing that for April as well. So things got busy in March, and now the virus has kind of slowed things down again. So we're in a state of shifting, changing, limbo, everything. Marcus has he went to daycare for a couple of days. We did a half day a couple weeks ago on a Thursday and Friday, and he flippin' loved it. And then he went for a whole week, and that was great, and he loved it. But he has also turned 7 months old and now is also awake longer. And so I'm like, how am I supposed to entertain him? I was kind of getting excited, not excited about him going to daycare, but excited about him going to daycare. Like, I feel like there's only so much I can do, whereas he's going to be socialized, he's going to meet different people, different kids, learn different things, interact with people, and I can't really do that from my house. And the unfortunate thing is now we are quarantined. Like, we cannot go out. Michigan is under a don't effing leave your house order unless you're an essential worker. So there's that. Zach has been going in and out of work, so he's the one that is going to get groceries and stuff. So because he's leaving, and I think the less of us that are exposed to the outside world, the better. I don't know. So that's that. So let's jump into March here. So I also need to make, there's a piece of washi tape to help with the glare. I also have to make new tabs, so for May, June, July, and August, and I think I'll do a video on that because I do it in Silhouette Studio, and I think I'm going to do something different. I liked these tabs, but I think for the next part of the year I'm going to do something different. So keep a lookout for that. I think I am going to do a video on it. So I didn't use my bill pay checklist or anything. This is my March currently page. So usually I decorate these. There's a couple of videos on my channel. Usually I decorate these before the month, and then I'll fill it in with pictures later. So this is him at daycare, and I have everybody's faces covered up, but I hope you can see there's 3 of them, and they're kind of sitting around having a little morning meeting with their toys, and it's really, really cute. Marcus also tried peanut butter and eggs. He loves to have peanut butter in his cereal. He loves it. He's not so fond of eggs. We got our floor finished, and desk was here. Marcus loved daycare. Because we were staying in, I'm trying to come up with things to do. I put lotion and food coloring in a bag and just taped it to his high chair tray. So, and then I started writing this letter for spring. I did this last summer, a letter for spring. I didn't finish it, and I started making my spring bucket list, and I didn't finish it. And then, I was planning on working on this just, as we go through spring, etc. Now we can't go anywhere. Like, I'm pretty sure, yeah, he'll have his first Star and first Easter. I'll have my first Mother's Day. Hopefully we'll have visits from family. We'll go on walks. Yeah. No, that's not happening. So. And oh, I said people are buying bulk toilet paper. So that's not happening. So I didn't do bill pay stuff either. March. This is what March looked like. I realized I labeled this Monday instead of Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that kind of threw me off. This is my Miss Maker spread. Did I do a plan with me on this? I might have done a plan with me. I did do a plan with me on this one. I did. So there is a plan with me on my channel with this Miss Maker one. So I thought this was really cute. It makes me want to do about 1,000 more Miss Maker spreads. So I'm really excited about that. This is, this was me making a daycare like schedule to see how many bottles and how much food to send with him. So that's in there. I sort of did a quasi like dashboard layout. There's not a plan with me on this one. We went and voted. We did a dashboard layout here with socialite stuff. I thought it was really cute. It wasn't like my favorite sticker book. I wish there were more florals in the socialite sticker book, but these were the 2 days that he did a half day at daycare. So that was pretty cool. And I was okay during that time. So then this was the week of St. Patrick's Day and Ostara. And yeah, this was Marcus's first full day at, first full week at daycare. So that was pretty cool. I started using canceled stickers. I was going to go to the farmer's market to get stuff to make shepherd's pie, but I decided to just skip that and go use the stuff, the frozen stuff that we had here. Then we have last week. This was last week. I really like this spread. I had planned this like super in advance, and then it has this errands box down here, and I wrote JK, we're not going out, got a shelter in place. So, and I covered up some more personal stuff in here, but yeah. And then let's see, I did the same type of layout for the last 2 days of March, so I thought I would show you guys that. But yeah, and then I'll give you a peek into, this is my, there's not a plan with me on this, currently page for April, and then using all of canceled stickers and stuff. I didn't even fill in my bills for April, which I really thought this was a cute spread. I didn't film this one either, but I thought it was a cute spread. So that is everything for March. Yeah, just a quick little video, I guess, to share with you guys. That's it. I don't really have much else to say, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I plan on doing some more cricket and silhouette style videos here shortly, because I think that's going to be something I can focus on and not really have to set up much for. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, like I said, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.